guys, at BTech of the Sun on Instagram and To Protect and Serve You on Reddit here. I thought I'd do a quick little video here. So I was driving my car today and kind of a hot day in Colorado, so I turned on the AC and I noticed all this water leaking down. You can see it's kind of coming from one central point up there. My car sits in the garage all the time. I never drive it in the rain, so I know it's not any of the normal clogged drain tubes that you see that get filled up with leaves and whatnot. So I asked some of the guys on the Del-Sol group on Facebook, which if you're not a member of, go join. Always lots of good parts for sale, good info. They helped out a lot with this, so they were saying that it's a AC drain plug essentially that gets clogged up, and it's kind of hard to see right now, but up underneath there, there's just a little plug, and you got to clear that out. So I'm going to try that, and then try to get some better shots of it, and we'll see if we can get this cleared up today. Alright guys, so I got underneath here, pulled back the floor mat here, and then as you can see right here, there's this portion here that the black plastic piece is on, and there's this little tube that's right up over there. The water from the AC that it condenses comes down through here, and it's supposed to flow through there, and it's leaking out of this portion right here. So it's a pretty easy fix. All you gotta do is pull this little tube out. It's kind of hard to see. It just retracted down a little bit, and then you can't see, but there's like a male nipple right here that this has to just slide back into, and then it can complete the water draining down to where it should, which is underneath the car. So I'm just gonna attach that. It's pretty easy. I'm gonna throw a zip tie around it, and then hopefully it shouldn't be an issue. Again, from what I was reading online and talking to some guys, sometimes it gets kicked out by the passenger, so that's probably what happened. So I'm going to do all that, and quick little video, short video, but if anybody had any of the same issues, hopefully this helped you. Again, this is just for the AC water runoff here. This doesn't do anything, to my knowledge, with the drain plug issues or any of the other leaking that these cars seem to have. So hopefully this helped you out at all. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to hit me up at VTech of the Sun on Instagram, or at our Instagram page at @OldSols Car Club. Check out our YouTube channel. Let us know if you guys have any questions.